All aboard for the Quilting Arts creative journey. I'm Vivica Hansen-Denegri, your travel guide for season 2800 of Quilting Arts. So grab your passport. We'll provide the ticket to creativity as we travel to out-of-the-way places and take the road less traveled when it comes to our quilting. Join me and a bevy of talented designers from all over as we take a creative journey right from our own studio. Today's show is about imagery and using people or things as the basis for our work. First up, Karol Kusmaul creates a collage composition. Then join Sue King for enhanced cyanotypes. Learn the difference between wet and dry cyanotypes and how to enhance them with free motion. All today on Quilting Arts.